Hey there, we are continuing our series of reviewing the best online tax services out there.
State tax, federal tax, social security tax.
Specifically today, I'm going to be looking at Cash App taxes. They claim it is completely free to do your federal and state taxes. Is this actually the case? Let's find out. Hey, Sean here with The Modest Wallet. If you've been with us for the last couple of videos, we've been reviewing several different online tax service providers. Today we're going to be looking at Cash App taxes, as I've already mentioned. Now, there are some claims that state and federal taxes can be filed for free without any fees or costs, so I definitely want to test that out in this review, but we will get into that shortly. Let's first start off with a little background information on Cash App taxes, and then we're going to take a look at who it's best for. Cash App taxes, formerly known as Credit Karma taxes, is an online tax filing service that allows you to file your taxes for no cost at all. And for anyone out there who filed their taxes previously with Credit Karma, Cash App tax still has your previous filing records available, so don't worry about those things being lost. Cash App tax is best for individuals who know exactly what they're doing when it comes to filing taxes, because you won't get the support of a professional tax expert that some of its competitors are going to be able to offer. It's also best for people who want a completely free way to complete their taxes and then not expect any help or any extra bells and whistles. So it is best for a lot of people, but there are some drawbacks to it. Now let's talk about some key features from Cash App taxes. First is their double guarantee. They have a maximum refund guarantee and a calculation accuracy guarantee. The maximum refund guarantee promises you'll receive the max refund, meaning that if another tax service came up with a larger refund, Cash App would reimburse the difference up to $100, which is definitely some comforting protection.
Feeling relaxed yet?
The calculation accuracy guarantee will pay you up to $1,000 if the IRS finds any errors in your calculations that you might be penalized for. They also have something called Tax Protection Plus, which is another form of protection in the case that you would get audited by the IRS. When it comes to their importing feature, Cash App taxes does allow you to import your returns from other tax software companies, places like TurboTax, and then those other companies that we've reviewed here on the channel. Cash App tax integration is another feature that may be of benefit to you, because if you are an avid user of Cash App, you can simply have your refund deposited into your Cash App account rather than having to import all of your banking information to have a direct deposit occur. So this is definitely going to save you some time there.
Remember, time is money.
You will have to create a Cash App account already in order to use the tax software, so that might just be the best option anyway. Next, you may be asking, can this specific software handle my specific tax situation? While Cash App taxes may not cover every specific situation, they've compiled a list of tax forms that I have on the screen that are accepted on their platform. So while it may not have every form, they do have quite a large list. When it comes to cost, Cash App taxes does cost absolutely nothing. So $0 besides what you might owe in taxes if you don't get a refund. So what I mean is that is not a specific fee. It's just what the IRS is going to force you to pay if you do owe on your taxes. Yes, there were some specific additions to the basic service, but from our research, none of those extra guarantees came with any fees, which is comforting for those that are on a tight budget.
Things are a little tight.
So we have gone over a ton about Cash App taxes, so let's highlight the pros and cons. When it comes to the pros, first, it is completely free. Yes, I said it, there are no costs when using this service. Second, it does come with audit defense, which provides protection if the IRS audits your tax return. Third, they have their guarantees like the maximum refund guarantee and the 100% accuracy guarantee, both that we mentioned earlier in this video, so you can go ahead and back and check those. Fourth, Cash App taxes has no upgrades or upsells, which every other service had. And finally, Cash App taxes has proved to be very easy to navigate and use, so user-friendly. When it comes to the cons, first, you do need to download Cash App to start filing your taxes with them, but after that, you can use your phone or desktop to file your taxes. Second, it's only available in 40 states and Washington, D.C. Third, you can't file with Cash App taxes if you've lived in a state for only part of the tax year, earned income in more than one state during the tax year, or earned income in a state you didn't live in. Fourth and final, Cash App customer service isn't bad, but it allows you to email questions or concerns that you may have. That's it. There is no live question and answering that can occur. They do have some great frequently asked questions though on their site that could probably answer a lot of your questions if you're still not sure what to do. So in summary, Cash App Taxes is completely free and could be a great opportunity for you if you're someone who knows what they're doing when it comes to filing your tax returns and you don't have some complex tax situation. It isn't going to have all the bells and whistles that the paid-for tax software companies may offer, and if you made money in more than one state, then Cash App Taxes is probably not going to be for you. All in all, though, there are a lot of positive features, and the bottom line is it's free to use. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know your experiences with Cash App Taxes in the comments below. But don't forget also that we want you to make sure that you like this video, help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Money Made Simple videos, and I'm going to see you in the next video.